Hey you, are you looking at Andy? Hi Andy.
Hi.
Hey. Look at her. Are you gonna look at Andy? She's being a flirt with Andy. She's pulling her hair out for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, what are you doing? Are you gonna kind of look at him like this? Hey. Oh, she'll keep looking away. Would you like some more? Yum yum. Can you say please? All right, I'll get you some then. All right. Hi, Rock. Oh, look at Andy. Go see Andy. Yeah, you said his name. Andy.
Strawberry?
Yeah, good job. All right.